Hi everyone, welcome to the Agri Science channel. Today we will see global scenario of agriculture in India, which is very important for all types of competitive exams, not only agriculture related exams but also for various all types of competitive exams. They will be giving SSC, CGL, Public Service Commission exams, everything they will ask this global scenario of agriculture in India. Better chances are there, and for APPS also they will ask one or two questions. So we will see India position in world agriculture. Total area we are in 7th position, irrigated area 1st position, population 2nd position, only after China. In India is the leading producer of which crops we will see. So India is the leading producer of pulses, jute, spices, mango and various banana, papaya, sapota, pomegranate, acid lime and all fruit crops. These all fruit crops we are the India stands first place, and total milk production and buffalo milk production we are in first place, and second largest producer of paddy, wheat after China, and cotton. So in cotton first leading producer is the China before, but now there is a change. We will see sugarcane, total fruits, total vegetables. So total fruits, total vegetables we are in second leading producer, and brinjal, cabbage, cauliflower, onion, tea. Some places they have given we are the first place. No, it is not correct. We are in second place in tea production also, and in cattle, number of cattle and cow milk production also we are in second place, and for second consecutive year. So this is the latest news by US Department of Agriculture. According to their estimation, so we will lead the cotton production by surpassing China and USA. So we will for 2016-17 years cotton production, India will be the leading producer. So this you have to remember, and these three countries will account for 62% of total cotton production around the world, and third in coconut. So we are in sixth in coffee production, and India accounts for total total agriculture exports of world. We are 18%. We accounts for 18% of world's total agriculture exports, and India is currently producing how much? 286 million tons of horticulture produce, and area is 24.4 million hectares, and it accounts for 13% of total production of fruits, and milk availability is 337 grams per day. So we will take, each person will take 337 grams a day. As world per capita availability is just 229 grams per day. So it is very high for India, and the milk production growth 6.28%, which is whereas world's is 2.2% only. So this is also we are high, and the survey found that the consumption of fruits and vegetables. So a survey was conducted, fruits and vegetable consumption. In that in China, Chennai is the leading consumer of fruits and vegetables, and West Bengal is the least consumer. And where we stand in calories. So by taking all over world, what is the position of India we will see. So this is the calories, how much calories we will take. In India stands at 1, 2, 3, 4. So some 10th place like that in calories, and in fruits and vegetables also we stand at 6th place, and China is the leading consumer of fruits and vegetables. So per capita, so this is the China's position, and this is the India. So we will take just 51.5 kgs per year of fruits and 80.5 kgs per year of vegetables. So that means 80. So we will take just 80. So it's around very least per month also, just we will take less than 5 kgs I think fruits. And this is the so in India, if we take according to NSSO, rural consumption if kilocalories is 2999 in 2011-12 levels. This is and 2058 in urbans, and proteins will take very less. So this is the intake, per capita intake per day. This is the levels, and this is according to OECD. So this is according to NSSO, and this is according to OECD. and calories will take 2455 according to OECD, a little bit more they have shown according to OECD. Fat 521, proteins grams, this is in proteins is in grams per day, and sugar is also in kgs per year. This is sugar, vegetables and fruits, this is kgs per year. We have already seen 80.5 kgs per year vegetables we will take, and 51.5 kgs per year fruits we will take, and protein 60 grams, this is in grams, so 60 grams per day. And world agriculture scenario, so rice production leading producer is China, that you have to remember anyhow, because they will ask in some exams which country leads the production of rice, which country leads the production of groundnut, sugarcane, like that they will ask sometimes. So you have to remember this, which country leads. And also sometimes they will ask what is the position of India. We have seen already the position of India, so we will see now what is the position of first producer of various crops. Rice China, maize USA, wheat China, groundnut China, most of the crops they total cereals also China. Sugarcane you have to remember, this is Brazil. And total pulses India is the first position, we have seen already. Mustard and rapeseed China is the leading producer, and fruits and vegetables China. Cotton China, tobacco China, and tea. So India in tobacco production India is in third place, and tea India is in second place. First producer is China, and coffee we are in sixth place. So first producer is Brazil, and natural rubber Indonesia, and cattle USA, and some are missing like coconut, it is Indonesia. In coconut production Indonesia is the leading producer. Sometimes they will ask that also, that is here it is missing. And so next, as per second advanced estimates, what is the production levels? This is the production of Indian production, various agriculture crops. Food grains 271.99 million tons in 2016-17. This is 2015-16. So 2015-16 it is 253.2 million tons. So this is the record, which so in brackets I have given which is the record production. And rice 108.86 million tons, and wheat 96.64 million tons, coarse cereals 43.31 million tons, maize 26.15, pulses we have reached a record of 22.14 million tons. This is very important, we had set a target of 25 million tons, so we have reached 22.14 million tons. Okay, and gram in pulses only, gram 9.12 million tons to 4.23, wood 2.89, oilseeds we are 33.60 million tons. We have to reach higher level till now. Soybean 14.13, groundnut 8.47, castor seed, cotton 32.51 kgs. So million bales, that is. So cotton we will see in bales. So one bale is 170 kg in cotton, and in jute it is 180 kg. That difference you should know. And leading state in production of area of crops. Production and area of crops. Total food grain production UP is the leading producer. Rice West Bengal, wheat UP again, and pulses Madhya Pradesh, oilseeds Gujarat, and coarse cereals Rajasthan is the leading producer, because coarse cereals will grow in dry areas, so mostly Rajasthan area they will sow coarse cereals. And sugarcane, we all know Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer in sugarcane production, and groundnut usually Gujarat, AP is in 5th place. So wherever required you note down the Andhra Pradesh position, so it will be useful for APPSC examinations. And maize, Andhra Pradesh is the leading producer in maize production, and cotton Gujarat. So our Andhra Pradesh is in third place. Jute West Bengal. So jute production we are the leading, India is the leading producer, and in that West Bengal is the leading producer. And coffee Karnataka is the leading producer of coffee, which accounts for almost 60% of the total India's production. And cashew nut we are in second position. Maharashtra is the leading producer. Onion also Maharashtra. Spices Gujarat, and we are in second place. Andhra Pradesh is in second place in spices production. And soybean Madhya Pradesh. And total vegetables West Bengal, total vegetables also West Bengal, total horticulture products also West Bengal, and cut flowers also West Bengal. So So most of the horticulture products it is West Bengal, and most of the agriculture products it is UP. So to remember easily. And coconut it is Tamil Nadu. So most of them think it is Kerala, but not Kerala. It is Tamil Nadu which leads the production of coconuts. And so next spice seed is Rajasthan, that you should note down. And citrus and lemon, we are the leading producers. Andhra Pradesh is the leading producer of citrus and lemon. And orange, Punjab. Lychee, Bihar. This you know lychee is Bihar. And plantation crops, Tamil Nadu. Banana also Tamil Nadu. Grapes, Maharashtra. Apple, so we all know where apple is in North India, in Himalayan states, and Jammu and Kashmir is the leading producer. Mango, UP, and we are in second place in mango production, which is the king of fruits. Mango. Pineapple, West Bengal. West Bengal is the leading producer of pineapple, which is the queen of fruits. And brinjal, Odisha is the leading producer, which is brinjal is a king of vegetables. And total horticulture area, this is the total horticulture area from for the years 2015, 14, 15, 15, 16 and 2016, 17. So this is the advanced estimates, first advanced estimates. And how many million tons we are producing in 2015, 16 to 24,472 area. This is area in hectares. And production 2,86,188 million tons. And 24,000, that's area. And million tons production you should note down. And so highlights, what are the highlights? So total horticulture production final estimates, this is. So we have seen first advanced estimates area and production before. So this is the final estimates. What is the total production? We will see in 2015-16 to 86 million tons, which is 12% higher than the previous year. So this is in 2015-16 horticulture production is 286 million tons. Production of fruits is 90 million tons. 169 million tons of vegetables. 7 million tons of spices. Onion 209 lakh tons. This you should remember because it's very high bumper production. Onion is there in 2015-16. So the rates of onion came down drastically, and it became a issue in 2015-16. So you all know that. And potato, it is 434 lakh tons. And this is 2016-17 levels. So in 2016-17 it is 287 million tons estimated, and so it's not that much high. And production of fruit 92 million tons, 2% high, you know, it's 90 million tons before. And vegetables, it is 168.6 million tons, a very little marginally high, 0.3%. 7 million tons spices. And onion, it is 197 million tons, which is lower than previous year 2015-16. If we compare 2015-16 levels, it is lower than 6%. So better, that's why onion rates are in control, I think. Potato, it is estimated 439 lakh tons, it is 1% higher. And tomato, it is 189 lakhs, which is about 1% higher than previous year. So everything with production, they have increased in production of all types of horticulture produce except onion. So this is milk production during 2013-14 to 2015-16. In Andhra Pradesh, it is third place in 2013-15-14. In Andhra Pradesh, this is and Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer in all the years. So we all know Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer of total cereals also, and also rice also. It is the sorry not rice, it is wheat also, it is the leading producer. And milk production also, in milk production also Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer. In sugar also Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer. And Andhra Pradesh stands at third place in 2013-14, and this is 2013-14. You all know Telangana also included in Andhra Pradesh, but in 2014-15 we came down to Andhra Pradesh came down to 6th place. And in 2015-16, this is the latest available, 2015-16 we are in 5th place. So Andhra Pradesh stands at 5th place in 2015-16, and Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer. And other states also they have, I have, but I didn't given here because it's very lengthy. So I stopped from this up to this level. So Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer that you have to remember. So thank you. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe this channel Agri Science for more videos. Thank you.